Alright, so it's finally here. अबे क्या कर रहा है अभी मत खोल स्टूडियो में जाके खोलेंगे ना यार ऐसे थोड़ी. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today is a very exciting day of unboxing. As you can see, we already have the package over here and you've already seen on the thumbnail what we are unboxing today. I'm super excited for this one. In fact, probably this is gonna be actually this is my sneaker of the year. Yeah, can we give it that tag of sneaker of the year?
Yes.
So what we're going to do today is not waste any more time and we'll straight away jump into the unboxing because the package has just arrived and I cannot really wait to open it because I did not open it obviously like you can see in the video. So let's quickly head into the studio and get on with the unboxing. अबे क्या खड़ा है हाथ पे देना यार. Can't you see I can't pick it up. Okay, back with the big knife. Let's go and open this up. Oh मैं ज़्यादा डीप कर दिया. बॉक्स पे तो नहीं जाएगा ना यार. इतनी शार्प छुरी से भी नहीं कट रहा तो फायदा क्या है यार. Now before we open this up, I just remembered about one thing that I need to share with you guys. So we are basically holding a tombola or a bingo or a housey, whatever you call it, under Metro next Sunday. So obviously you will have a lot of prizes to be won, including the grand prize of the first full house being this sneaker. This as in not this one, this is mine. You will have another one in your choice of size as per the winner. So the link is in the description box below. Each ticket costs 999 rupees. If you buy 2 tickets of the housey, you'll get the third ticket free. I am sure you all know how housey works. Here are all the prizes to be won. Like I said, the first grand prize is going to be a Travis Scott Jordan 1 Fragment Lows. So go check out the link in description and you have time for the next couple of days to buy the tickets. And we'll see you on the YouTube live next Sunday where we'll be playing housey for over an hour. So let's see how that goes. Don't forget to check that out. Now let's go and open this up. So this is the sleeve that all the nonsense was about because my Travis highs did not have this sleeve since it was an early pair. Either ways, I have it now in the lows and honestly speaking, I don't really care about the highs. I always care about the lows more because I personally also like the lows better than the highs. So yeah, let's go and open this up. Alright, just one more thing, I promise, and after that we'll take a look at the sneaker. So basically a lot of fakes are going around with the Travis Scott lows and the highs in the Fragment, this current collaboration. So make sure if you're planning to buy, to get your sneakers checked. I got mine from StockX, but if you get it from anywhere else, then you have to make sure to legit check your sneaker and you can use this app right here that you can see, the legit app, to check your sneakers. It costs roughly about 100 rupees if I'm not sure, 100 rupees or a little more. 100 to 120 rupees or something like that, right? Yeah, so it just costs that much and if you have already downloaded the app then you have to pay that much to get it checked, and if you have not downloaded then check the link in description and you can use my code Karan10 and get your first legit checking absolutely free for either these or any other sneakers. So go check that out as well. Bro, this is too exciting. Oh fuck. Yeah, highs to kya bakwas the yaar. These are looking so much better. Ta-da! StockX cards, we don't care. Oh fuck bro. Are you fucking kidding me? Bags? Oh my god bro, it's fucking insane यार. एक मिनट मैं चश्मा निकालना था. चश्मे के साथ कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. Fuck. Bro, these are fire, huh? Bro, these are so good, I can't fucking tell you. Just look at it man, it's fucking fire. I don't care यार क्या शूट कर रहे हैं. देख यार.
Bro.
So this one comes with a white box as against the blue box that comes with the highs. And you know what, let's just fuck the box, I don't care. Look at the fucking shoes bro.
Bro, मेरे बेक कवर से मैचिंग है.
अरे यार तू फिर चालू हो गया यार बेक कवर.
अरे देखो bro.
नहीं बस हो गया चल. Finally, I've waited really long for these sneakers and I was kind of lucky enough to catch it at pretty much the bottom of the price. I got them for about $1,100 from StockX and currently they are going for upwards of $1,200 and the bigger sizes are upwards of $1,300. So if you are planning to buy these in the near future, I have only one advice for you: buy it right now before it is too late, because I can definitely see these sneakers going to $2,000. Yes, it might be shocking for you being lows, but it is definitely going to $2,000 in the future. So this is the time to buy them if you are looking to buy them. And yeah, Talking about the shoe, the quality is pretty much decent. I wouldn't say it's very buttery, the leather on the toe box and stuff like that. But it's really nice. The black leather is really nice. The blue leather is really nice. You have this really awesome, the usual Cactus Jack and the, sorry, Fragment and the Cactus Jack logo on the back. I just don't know what I'm talking because I'm too excited for these. And yeah, it comes with 3 extra laces, the blue, the pink and the black. I think I'm going to stick with the laces that are on the shoe, that is in the sale colorway. I think they look best. Maybe the pink would look a little better. But for now, I think these are the best, so I'm going to stick to that. And yeah, that's all about the shoe. Do we have anything else to talk about the shoe, Harsh?
No,
I think at the moment, I don't really care about the video. I'm just enjoying the shoe so much that I don't care.
Right.
Just put it up like this.
But
I
I
don't
still-
fucking care.
I
It's
still
so fucking
feel-
good.
I still feel the leather was better on the high version.
The leather is better on the high version, I agree.
Yeah.
But yeah, just look at it, bro. These are like
Yeah, the
these are like
colorway-
dream fragments, dream fragment lows. And I've always said, I like the lows over the highs, which is why these are way above the highs for me. I don't think I'm going to keep my highs. I'm going to sell them and I'm going to try to get the OG fragments is the color blocking match, and these two will be the real perfect combo to own. So let's try. It's going to be my third attempt to get the OG fragments because first time it got cancelled, second time it turned out to be a fake. And let's see how that goes in the future. We're going to try to get that. And for now, I think this is what is the sneaker of the year for me, like I have already said before. In fact, even the yellow Off-White Air Force Ones, Lemonade, people don't like it, but I really love that. So I think those and these are what are going to have a battle to be the sneaker of the year for me. Let's see how that goes as the year progresses. So yeah.
दोनों shoes मतलब videos में दिखते नहीं है properly.
Yeah, also guys, I'm telling you, this is not doing justice in the video probably because in hand they are just too fucking good, and I'm just going gaga over it. I don't know what to do now. Anyways, so what is your choice very quickly, Harsh? Would you choose the highs or the lows?
After looking at lows in hand,
Definitely the lows. Definitely the lows. Alright guys, so that's our opinion about the Jordan 1 Travis Fragment lows. Let me know in the comments below what you feel. Also, we are not picking the second winner of giveaway in this video because the recent video did not reach 10,000. If you're new here, then go and watch the older videos to know about what I am talking, to know what I'm exactly talking about. It's too good, bro. It's too good. Alright, so the moment the next video, probably this video is going to cross way over 10,000 views, I'm very sure. So do not forget to like this video, comment below your thoughts about them. What is your opinion about these? Are these better or the highs are better? I don't know, we really feel the lows are better. And I'm going to quickly put them on feet because I am just too excited to do that, and I will also show you how it looks on feet. What?
आपका fit pick बहुत अच्छा था BMW के साथ इसमें.
अरे अभी बिक गई ना, छोड़ जाने दे यार. We'll buy another car and make it blue again for the fit pick now, and then we'll change it back to another color. We are planning another spec. By the way, I'm not very sure which car I'm going to buy yet. Anyways, let's leave that for another video. For today, let's just enjoy these beautiful sneakers, and let me quickly put them on feet. Alright, so that's all from us for today. Like I said, do let me know in the comments what do you feel about these sneakers. Also go and check the link in description and buy yourself some bingo tickets, and we will have a nice fun live event where we will all play Housey together. And not just that, you'll also find the link in description for the Legit app, so go download that app, try it out, do your first Legit check for free. That's on me using this code Karan10. And yeah, that's all for today. Also, for the last time, do not forget to like this video, get all the videos to 10,000 plus views, and you will keep winning some free sneakers, and we will see you in the next video.